2 methods to get a free Discord Nitro, just one click. So the first method we're gonna explain is the Opera GX1. It was actually added last year, but it still works. It will work until June 17th. So we're going to explain today. So requirements is to have Opera GX installed on your PC and have an account that did not claim neither buy a Nitro Discord for the last 12 months, and this is it. So first things first, I'm gonna open this website, click on how to claim. It will take you all the way down, click on download Opera GX, and as all of you can see, Opera GX setup.exe. I'm gonna open this file. As you can see guys, the installation process, you're gonna click on accept and upgrade, and then click on accept again, and yeah, you're gonna wait for download to finish. So as you can see guys, I finished the download of Opera GX. I opened the same website here, and the claim now button is working. And by the way, I did something, which is open Discord account in the browser. So what I'm gonna do now is just click simply on claim now, and it will ask you to log in. So I'm just gonna use my Facebook account, and then I'm gonna write some username. So Annex is, for example, 05, right? Save. Oh yeah, now I'm gonna confirm my age. So 15 March 2005. Okay, my avatar, so I think I am actually Aruba. Continue. Okay, so I'm done. I think I will close this and now claim now again. Alright, yeah, it worked guys. So there was before a glitch right here where you can claim infinite nitros, so I'm gonna try to claim another one. Let me refresh the page. Okay, claim now. I generated another one. Damn guys, you can generate infinite Discord nitros. So as you can see, click on next. So this account actually just had Nitro recently, but if you didn't, you'll actually get this page. It will confirm information, put your credit card, and another way to get a free Discord Nitro is actually using Alienware Arena. So last month, Discord has partnered with Alienware Arena, and as a result, we got a free Discord Nitro. So to do that, you're gonna open this website, click on create or log into your account. Right? You can actually use Discord, you can use Twitch, whatever. So I'm gonna try with Discord. Okay, I'm gonna try it. And I'm gonna give it a username. So Annex05. Password, confirming, and then the date of birth 15 March 15 2005, right? 2005, right? Algeria. State, okay, so I'm gonna select my state. Okay, I forgot to select the gender. Okay, we opened an account. So as you can see guys, we opened an account right here, and now all we're gonna do is just click on get key, right? And then you wait a little bit. So, well, let's go back to Discord, go to user settings, go down to gift inventory, and then wait. Okay, so go back to the website, copy this code, copy it, and then paste it here. Click on redeem, and then you will get this. Click on this blue thing. It will open the website for the redemption of the code. Yeah, click on next. And here we're gonna put the credit card and just do the normal steps so you can claim the free Discord Nitro. And yeah, this is it. But there is something important that you need to know guys. After this Nitro ends, Discord is going to take $10 from your card and renew your subscription to Nitro. So to stop this process, all you gotta do is go to user settings, go to Nitro, and cancel the Nitro that you have now. After 1 month, the subscription will not be renewed. So this is it guys. I hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe.